Greetings, everybody. Thank you for coming back and visiting us again at Scalpers Hideout. It's been a little while since we last saw you. We have been busy beavers over here at the Scalpers Hideout, and we have been developing like crazy. We've been updating our tools. We have been pondering how we can provide you guys a better value, and in fact, how can we provide you the best value in this industry? And we think that we have done a pretty good job of that here. So let's go ahead and get started on what's new over here. First thing is first, we've made a major change to our business model. And in the past, we have developed a product called the Auto Fade Scalper. You can find the rest of our videos. You can see how that was originally developed. We've just come out with a version 2 of that, which adds order flow signals and makes it extremely powerful. But more than that, we have decided that with your license to the Auto Fade Scalper, we were going to offer you everything that we have developed so far, and also everything new that we are going to develop in the future. So when you purchase a lifetime license, you are never going to hear us come back to you asking for more money from you for a new product. When we release something, it is yours. Sort of like a Las Vegas buffet. Pay your entry fee and it's all you can eat. So at this point now, we've added 3 automated algorithms of different flavors to our lineup, and those are all available once you get into our Discord, and that will happen when you purchase your lifetime license or your subscription monthly. And these algorithms are really good. Now, if you know me, you know that I do not believe in automated algorithms that you turn on, go to sleep at night, and expect them to win for you in the long run, like your own little automatic ATM machine. What these algorithms do is they provide killer entries, and we want you to be there managing them, and they do a really good job. We've tested these things fully automated. Just like every other algorithm, they're going to win for you. It's going to have a pretty darn good results under good conditions, but we definitely think that to optimize all of these things, you should be there managing your trades after they're entered. One thing about automated algorithms is they are great at taking entries on rules. That's all they can do. But as far as knowing what's coming up ahead, your brain and your intelligence is going to get you much further with any automated algorithm. There is no AI yet available for any tools that NinjaTrader that run on NinjaTrader, and although some people like to put that in the name, I can assure you that it is not true AI. So your intelligence is going to go a long ways. All right, so that alone is great news for everybody who's been following us for a while and has kind of been on the fence. We've all been in this position where you go ahead and you purchase an indicator only to realize that you don't want to trade that anymore in a few months later, and you've just thrown that money in the garbage. When you purchase our indicator, you can sit back and know that we're going to keep on bringing you things. It's the gift that keeps on giving. So let's go ahead here and get into the version 2 of the Fade Scalper and give you a little peek at what we have done. All right, so let's talk about the 3 main feature additions here of the Auto Fade Scalper. We have added volume profile and order flow delta to the Auto Fade Scalper. And this has been a game changer. It lets you see what is going on within the bar without overloading you with numbers and getting too technical as order flow normally is. We have made this with our main intention of being ultimately tradable. We want this to be something that you can get actionable signals that are current to price action. This is going to help you avoid some of the reversal bars that you get. This is going to help you validate some of the zones that you'd like to take a trade against. This is going to help you with some confidence in knowing that delta is on your side. And we have engaged delta in a way that we've never seen done before. So first thing is first. The orange overlay that you're looking at right here is your value area for the current bar. Now, this is going to tell you where most of the volume is traded in this bar, and it's extremely useful because as price exceeds the value area, it generally wants to move back into the value area. And it gives you a great place to go ahead and take your trade short in this case, to get back into where the volume is. The next thing you're going to see here is the point of control for the bar. This is going to show us where the highest volume has occurred within that bar. And when that thing moves up and down, it gives you great insights as to who is in control of the price action. When the point of control is towards the bottom of the bar, it lets us know that there are buyers pushing up into that bar and pushing price higher. And as that point of control jumps to the tip of the wick, it's letting us know that we're encountering some resistance and that there are sellers pushing down. And that would be a great time to jump in short, as long as we have some other confluences with it. And lastly here, these green and pink triangles that you see on the chart are showing us the bar's delta. Well, there's multiple ways that you could be looking at delta with this indicator. Right now we're showing bid-ask delta, so volume delta. It lets us know who has the control of this bar at the very moment. Now, when you use these three things together, it is extremely powerful. When your delta aligns with the trend of your Fade Scalper bars, it can give you confidence to enter in that direction and worry less about this bar reversing on you. These are extremely useful in some of these smaller bars that you see, which we call breakouts. After a big pullback, which would be one of the longer bars, at the end, if you get some kind of a shift in delta, you can take these things for a quick scalp. All right, so there's a brief tutorial of what has changed in the Fade Scalper. All exciting stuff. I guarantee it's going to help you trade with more confidence and more intelligence than you had before with just the wicks. All right, so in the interest of keeping this video not a million hours long, let's go ahead and jump in and do a quick little overview of some of our other automated strategies that's going to be yours when you purchase the lifetime license to the Fade Scalper or the monthly subscription to the Fade Scalper. You can use them as well as long as you are subscribed. All right, so the first automated algorithm I'm going to show you here is called Scalpers Hideout Colt. This is a pure price action based scalping algo, and we use this by defining our trend with the 10 EMA, and we're basically looking for failure patterns around that 10 EMA, and we don't wait for bar close on this. It's a little bit different than your traditional the traditional way you would trade these failure patterns. We trade them and try to get in early and give ourselves a little bit of a better chance of getting to our profit targets, sometimes before the traditional way even enters. So it's really great like that. It works really well. I'm going to let this play a little bit for you here and give you a little a demo of how well it can work. Of course, like I said, I think you should be managing all your trades. Just because you have a good day where your automated algo just takes all winners does not mean that it's going to be like that every day. So anyways, here's a little demo of how this takes its entries.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Target filled. Stop fill. Order fill. Target fill. Stop fill.
So as you can see right here, even in sideways action, Colt can do pretty well. But where it really shines is in a strong trend.
Order fill. Target fill. Target fill. Stop fill. Order fill. Target fill. Target fill. Stop fill. Order fill. Target fill. Stop fill. Order fill. Target fill. Order fill.
All right, so there's Scalpers Hideout Colt. A little bit of a preview of that. As you can see there, that's a really fun one. That uses time-based bars. We recommend running that on the 1 minute. Let's move on to the next one, which is Scalpers Hideout Tombstone. And this one is near and dear to my heart because we programmed this as a group in our Discord. I noticed that there was a bunch of users that were familiar with this style of trading, and I myself used to trade like this before I developed the Fade Scalper. And I'm going to explain that to you right now. Okay, so this is Scalpers Hideout Tombstone. This one is pretty awesome. This uses, we like to run them off of the Ninja Renko bar for this one. And we are looking for wick pullbacks and taking the continuation trade. The cool thing about this is that it avoids a lot of the chop naturally, and we have also made it avoid the reversal bars too. So we're really trying to pinpoint these wick trades that are in the center of a run here. And let me go ahead and put this in high-speed playback here for you and let you see how it trades a little bit.
Target filled. Order. Stop filled.
All these stop fills are generally break
Order.
evens.
Target filled.
750 bucks.
Or target filled. Or stop filled. Target filled. Or target filled. Or target filled. Order. Stop filled. Order. Target filled.
Only 100 bucks.
Or stop filled.
I used to scalp
Order.
this
Target
all
filled.
the time. It's pretty much how
Order.
Fade Scalper got
Target
started.
filled.
Was
Or stop
going up with
filled.
these wicks on a
Order.
rainbow.
Target filled. Target filled. Order. Target. Stop filled.
All right, so there's a quick little demo of Scalpers Hideout Tombstone. So there you go. There's a few of our new tools that we're offering. They are all yours with a lifetime subscription to the Fade Scalper. You can switch between them. Some set up while other ones are waiting to set up. As you get proficient with these things, there's rarely nothing to do. Also included is a algo that trades off of overbought and oversold levels. That one's a really nice one. That one is a reversal trader, and the one that I'm really excited about that is not yet out and should be coming within the next week or so is going to be a hiking ashy bar trader. So we got a little bit of different flavor for anybody's needs. You can kind of choose what suits your personality the most and roll with it. So on top of all this value that we're offering you, one more thing we have is a great Discord. It's amazing how quickly this Discord has turned into an extremely helpful community. There is not a jerk in there. Everybody is super cool, and everybody is getting better day by day. And so we want you to come in and be part of that too. All right, so now how can you get this stuff? Head on over to www.scalpershideout.com. Click on the buy button. That will bring you to a company called WAP. That is the marketplace where we choose to sell our items. The reason that we do that is because it manages our Discord access, it manages our subscriptions, it keeps the riffraff out of the Discord so we don't have a bunch of scammers running around in there. And yeah, you can choose a monthly subscription or a lifetime license. Right now, I am leaving the prices as is for 1 week from the date of this video, just to allow the folks that have been watching us for a while a chance to get in at our initial introductory rate from our launch. After that, it's probably going to increase about 50%. So yeah, come on over. If you want a demo of this, we are willing to still offer you a trial if you email me directly. And we'll offer you a trial on the version 1 of the Fade Scalper, just so you can kind of see how it moves, how it trades. Version 2 and these algos are not going to be on trial. So hopefully you get in there, and if you've seen all you need to see, just go ahead and sign up. If you need to try the version 1 of the Fade Scalper, I'm happy to provide it to you. Just send me an email. Email is listed on our website. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon.